Do you know many people are having trouble with their iPad freezing? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn off. Press and hold the standby button on your iPad until the red slider appears. Slide it to power off the device completely. Step 2. Restart iPad. Once the iPad is off, press and hold the standby button again until the Apple logo appears, restarting your device. Step 3. Force close app. If an app is stuck, press and hold the standby button until the red slider appears, then press the home button until the app closes. Step 4. Reset device. Unable to restart? Press and hold both the standby and home buttons for 10 seconds to reset your device, looking for the Apple logo. Step 5. Check functionality. Check if your iPad functions normally. If still unresponsive, try the steps again or consider additional troubleshooting options. By following these steps, your iPad should be functioning smoothly again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Apple users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.